Hello everybody and welcome to the Four Seasons in Whistler. Okay, so for the weekend, Ben and I have checked in at the Four Seasons in Whistler and we just stepped into the room with the 3 dogs and I wanted to give you guys a room tour right away before we mess it up. Okay, so here we have the bathroom. Absolutely stunning. Like, I already love this so much. So much space, like so much foot room. There we go. Now on to the rest of it. So on this side, we've got the closet, which is really nice for all of like Ben's ski gear that we'll have and the shoes, jackets. On the other side, there's a little bit more room for any other bags, like my suitcase, placed perfectly, just how I like it. Then we come back out. The girls have been exploring so much. They brought up a couple of dog bowls for us, and they also brought a dog bed. But anyway, this is the overall look of the room. Ben's already enjoying a beer. Gracie Lou has been jumping up and down like crazy. I posted it on my Instagram, so go check that out. Pippa, what do you think? Do you like the Four Seasons? Do you like it? We've got a little coffee station here. Excuse my water bottle. Here's the coffee station. Some cups, some water, some wine. And what's down here? Ooh, okay, our mini fridge, bottle opener, and empty for all of the leftovers I will have from Sidecut, the restaurant that's in the hotel. So here is the nightside table. We've got some nice water. I really like the color of this cup. And they've got some slippers on the side here, which is perfect because we usually wear our slippers down to the pool. There is their menu for the morning for breakfast if we wanted it. Gracie Lou, do you like the bed? You can see how she's been like rolling around and making it all messy. She's loving it. Naya liking the couch, honey? Do you like the couch? Do you like it? What do you think of the room?
It's very nice.
You like it a lot, hey? The light fixture is pretty cool too, up top. But yeah, then we've got a TV, nice little media console, and a little sitting area with some pictures. What the? Peppa, what are you doing? Greasy Frew. Yeah, that's what I thought. You love the bed. Okay, I'm going to get my daily sleeper set, my like fancy pajamas on, and we're gonna go for dinner down at Sidecut. It's phenomenal. I can't usually eat mac and cheese because I can't have dairy. Well, I try not to eat that much dairy, and I definitely try not to eat pastas because of the white flour that's usually incorporated in them. But I eat this stuff. Like, I take all of the digestive enzymes so that I can stomach eating that mac and cheese. They also have broccolini that's incredible. What else have we had there that's really good? Like, the drinks are really good, of course. Okay, well, time to get changed. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday. It is the next day. Our dinner last night was so freaking good. I really enjoyed a new drink that I hadn't tried there before. It was the London Mountain. I definitely recommend it if you like things that don't really taste strongly of alcohol. It definitely tasted more like juice. Ben just left to go skiing and we've been outside with the girls already to go for a little pee. I'm enjoying a cup of tea and waiting to hear from Jackie. We're gonna go to Lost Lake today with the girls. We absolutely loved our first night here. The bed is so... My camera shut off there for a second. So as I was saying, the bed was super cozy. The room has been lovely. The people have been lovely. Just gonna continue to enjoy this tea and then go for a walk. Guys, oh my god, it just started snowing as I'm waiting for Jackie to come down. I'm so excited. This is gonna be the most beautiful walk. Wow, look at this. Ben's gonna have fun on the mountain. Pippa, what do you think? Girls, what do you think? Oh my god.
Is that not cold, girl?
Gracie. Okay, well, we made it to Lost Lake. The girls are having the best time. Pippa is probably about to go in the water. That's my guess. Oh, just a little bit. Yeah. It's like snowing just the tiniest little bit. There was a little bit of hail, but it's not bad at all. And it's just a gorgeous view. Like, can you believe? It's still a little bit frozen there, but... Oh, there you go. There you go, Pip. Jackie, what do you think?
It's lovely.
It's lovely. Not very busy at all, as you can tell. So we've got the dogs out. Not supposed to be out, but we did it anyway. And we're just gonna enjoy it here for a bit and go back. Okay, so we came back to the rooms to drop off the girls. They are clearly very tired. Pippa's being very needy for pets. Okay, I just got one of their salads and then did Cajun grilled chicken with it. It seriously tastes amazing. And I had to get the truffle fries. You can't come here and not get truffle fries. Jackie and I are playing each other in Game Pigeon, and we're playing Sea Battle, which is basically just Battleship. Super fun game to play. Okay, so we are back in the room right now. Ben and Brandon are here. We walked the girls, took them for a pee, and we're gonna go down to the hot tub now. Apparently there's a bar down there, so we'll be able to get some drinks. I'm definitely gonna get some s'mores. Yeah, time to get changed and go down and enjoy the hot tub. Okay, so we just finished in the hot tub and in the steam room. I've got my margarita with me, and we're walking to go get some s'mores. They're complimentary down here, which is so nice. And I might try and get a special hot chocolate while I'm at it. I might try. But it's just been so lovely. Like, the weather is gorgeous, and hanging out with friends has been so good. Oh, I can hear Ben calling me.
I have snowflakes on my lashes.
Which Ben?
Hey!
Okay, so we got our hot chocolates. We have a margarita still.
Well, mine's gone.
I already drank mine.
And now it's time to go to, well, upstairs to get ready, and then go to Teppan Village.
As Ben would say, Teppan Village.
Into the river sometimes, or I go skating there.
Yeah.
Strawberry sake melon margarita.
So Jackie has been absolutely talking up the strawberry sake melon margarita, and
Or you can do the strawberry sake. Or the Mikado pear.
anyway, there's a lot of good drinks on the menu right now, and there's fire. Benjamin and Quinn were just gossiping about something, and apparently they have a surprise for us somewhere down again. Guaranteed they were just whispering about that. Guaranteed they were whispering about whatever their surprise is for us. I will make sure to vlog that, but I have no idea what they have up their sleeves. Like, I have not a clue. Yeah. Jackie really wanted me to have a full drink, I guess. Jeez. Okay, so Ben has taken his shoes off at dinner, and we just stole them, and we've hidden them at our place. Delicious stuff, guys. So good. This guy lost his shoes.
Yeah. Hey, who's got my other shoe? You and Moose. Ben's looking for his shoe. I might know where it is. Real dad.
I don't know where it is. Where are your shoes?
Can't find his Smoo. Smoo can't find his shoe.